Hi kids! Welcome back to Mimo and Friends channel. We have learned so much now. We are on episode 8, can you believe it? In today's lesson, we are learning about colors in nature and counting to 20. Colors in nature. Do you know what nature means? Nature is everything around us that people do not make. It includes trees, flowers, animals, rivers, the sky, and even the air we breathe. So today we will learn about colors in nature. Look at the tree. The color of the tree is green. Can you say green? Green. Excellent job. Now look at the sky. The color of the sky is blue.
Say it with me.
Blue.
Blue.
Next, now look at the sun. Can you guess what color it is? Your guess is correct, it is yellow. Yellow. So the three colors we just saw are
Green.
blue, yellow. You just did an excellent job. Now it is time to count. Let us count to 20 together. Ready?
1, 2,
3, 4,
5,
6, 7,
8, 9, 10,
11,
12,
13, 14, 15,
16,
17, 18, 19,
20.
Let's repeat the numbers.
1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6,
7,
8, 9, 10,
11,
12,
13, 14, 15,
16,
17, 18, 19.
20.
Great job, you are so smart. Today we learned colors in nature and counted to 20. Keep practicing. Do not forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.